Hello, this is Charles from Cedolino Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop elements to create this elegant greeting card. And as an added bonus, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make the same greeting card in case you don't have Photoshop. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, let's take a look at the finished greeting cards. Here's one in green, and here's one in red. Let's jump to Photoshop. At the very top of Photoshop, it asks you what you'd like to do. I'm going to type in greeting card and select it. I'm going to get a couple links that are going to take me to the website, and then it's going to show me a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a greeting card. So let's get started. Let's go to Home and then go to the photo editor. I'm using Photoshop Elements 2021. Right now I've got Quick selected, and over on the right hand side I'm going to go to Create Greeting Card. From these options I'm going to select Print Locally so that I can save it and then print it to my Canon Selfie printer, and then I'm going to select Portrait. I'll click on Christmas and select OK. It's going to download a few things from the internet and then give me an idea of what my greeting card is going to look like. Now I'm not really happy with this particular layout, so I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click Layouts. Then I'm going to go to the To Photo layout right here. Double click on this, and then you can see that it changed my photo layout. I like this. So now I'm going to go to Graphics so that I can pick a Christmas background. I'll select this one right here with snowflakes. It'll automatically put my snowflake background on my card. From here, I can click this photo, and then I can add a couple pictures. I have a couple pictures from my 52 frames group that I'm going to use. One is Weisenberger Mill, and then the other one is the state capitol. And that's what it looks like. It's looking good so far. If I double click on the text tool, it'll open my text tool right here. I can highlight my text. I can change the color. And when I'm happy, tick the green checkbox. Now I do have another piece of text right down here. So I can highlight this text, pick the same color, check the green checkbox, and then I'm almost finished. Now I can move my text wherever I'd like to. Now that I have my text where I want it, I could go to the File, Export Card as a JPEG, save it to my desktop, and then I'm finished. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. Now I can send this to my selfie printer and then make my greeting card. I told you I was going to use an added bonus of going to Canva. So let's go to Canva, canva.com. Sign up for your account. A free account is really all you need. Go to Templates, Personal, and Card. You can see up at the top that they've already given you quite a large selection of Christmas cards or holiday cards. I'm going to click on Holiday Card and show you the card that I used. This is the one right here. Click on Use this template, and you'll see that it creates an online version of kind of a Photoshop thing. If you want to change what the text says, you would just click on this, highlight your text, and there you go. If it's a little too close together, you can click on this button right here, which will give you a little bit more line height. And if you go right here, you can spin it. If you want to go down to the bottom and change the font, highlight this font, and you click on it, it'll show you the last fonts that were used. I'm going to match the one that says Happy Holiday. It is a Brittany. Then I'm going to go to where the alignment is at and change it to center alignment. When I'm done with that, I'm going to spin this one a little bit too. As an added bonus, they give you the ability to line things up in the center by giving you the little pink dotted lines. Now let's put a photo on the inside of this round shape right here. Go to Uploads, upload your file or upload your picture. Once it's uploaded, it'll appear here. Grab your picture and drag it in the center. And there you go. Your picture is now inside the circle. Now if you want to adjust where the alignment is on your picture, just double click the picture and then move the picture wherever you'd like. Once you're done, click on the artboard right here and it has put your picture inside the shape. Now if we want to add a few elements, we can go to Elements. We can search for icons. Now I search for Snowflake. If you want to grab one of these free ones, you can drag this on top of your card. Now this is kind of a weird green color, so if I want to click on the color right here, I can change it to one of the other colors in my document. Let's choose gold, and there we have it. Of course, we can resize it just like we can in Photoshop and put this right in here. Now you probably noticed that my card was green, the one that I showed at the beginning of this segment. If we want to change that color, we click on the background, go over to the color, and then change it to something that we like. There's green. Now this one's kind of a greenish red, so I can go to New Color, and then I can move this around until it's the green that I want. So that's pretty nice right there. I don't really like this little squiggly, so I'm just going to click on it and delete. Next I'm going to come over here, click on this, and delete it. And I'm going to move my snowflake up towards the top and make it a little larger. Now I like that. Now I'm ready to export it for printing. I can go to the top, select Download, and then download it as a PNG, which can be printed on my Canon Selfie. I'm going to click Download. It's going to create a nice copy of my greeting card. Let's close out of this. Let's look in my Downloads file. And here's what we just created. So just because you don't have Photoshop elements, you can still go onto Canva and make an elegant Christmas or greeting card. Now that we use Photoshop elements or Canva to create our digital copy, it's time to print out our masterpiece. I used a Canon Selfie 1300, but you can use any inkjet printer or go to a big box store. I taped this with a little bit of double stick tape and put it on the front. On the inside, I just created a white piece of paper, put a little bit of text on it, cut it out smaller than the actual card, and then double stick tape this. Now we have our elegant holiday card finished. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or a like, and stay tuned for more fun videos. Cheers!